Hey everyone, today I was going to my school to celebrate Winter Carnival. As you can see the scenario of my school, I was very excited. You can see there, this is the Winter Carnival welcome. Our our school welcome all the parents, all the students in this fantastic winter carnival. So as you can see, this is my school. It is very big. You can see here. This is all about. You can see here there are so many projects are over here. See the students of junior classes, they are enjoying the game. As you can see here, a little boy, they are jumping now. All the parents are enjoying. See, the students have made the projects, as you can see, art and craft. This project you can see, this is made by me and this girl Sadan, my friend, and one boy, that is Abhishek. See the scenario of our school. See, I was playing, but I lost. I haven't won. See the game I was playing. I was trying to won this game, but I was unsuccessful to win. But still I have tried to play these all games. I just try to win the game. You can see here. See, I have clicked the pictures with my some friends. This is the project made by me and my friends. This is the game in which we have to arrange the bottles in a good pattern. As you can see, this is the people made by this project.